Facts about potato chips. Potato chips were invented in 1853 by a chef named George Crumb at Moon's Lake House in Saratoga Springs, New York. The first potato chips were made by thinly slicing potatoes and frying them until they were crispy and golden brown. In the United States, potato chips are often called chips, while in the United Kingdom and many other countries, they are called crisps. In the US, the most popular flavor of potato chips is plain or salted, followed by barbecue, sour cream and onion, and cheese flavors. Potato chips are a popular snack food all over the world and are produced in many different flavors and varieties. There are many different brands of potato chips, including Lay's, Pringles, and Ruffles. In addition to potatoes, chips can also be made from other vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, beets, and kale. Potato chips are typically high in fat, calories, and sodium, so they should be eaten in moderation as part of a balanced diet. The largest bag of potato chips ever made weighed 1,141 pounds and was created by the Corker's Crisps Company in the United Kingdom in 2013. The potato chip industry generates billions of dollars in revenue each year and is a significant part of the global snack food market.